Well, yes, a higher Express TV. Also for liking ye, mesra subscribe it. Yes, subscribe it. Comment it, like it, share. Send a be for biya share. Send a be update for biya. Whatsa ebeka? Me that say good. The Speaker of Parliament, Ewo Ghana. Your friend say Right Honorable Aban Baben Wakasa. Na ne kasa ni nyina mu ne se o se NDC for enam ena MPP for so enam ba bi ni nyina ne se NDC for se omo ne MPP for eye pe because omo kuta 137 parliamentary seats so na MPP for so ekuta sabia it which they say NDC is equals to MPP in the parliament enye greater than and say less than ena ekoso ewo eye parliament house na no ena papa your friend say SK Baben Right Honorable Wakasa Speaker of Parliament ochirechire bibia mu ekwan a obi fa so eye majority any minority ena caucus. Yes, or cite ewo omo or say ye wo order bi ewo omo adie mu a friend says standing orders it was say almost standing orders no eda di pefe e kan okre say senior mapa your friend say lawyer Asiama MP for Fomana wode ne ho akodwon eye MPP amanyokuo no ene eda di pefe say Haruna Drusu wanti ase say ema ni misledi eye ne nkrofo no say omo ene ye majority and say ye ni majority e wo hoda bi o say date befe say papa your friend say honorable or say Mensa Bonsu MP for Swami ono ene ye majority ena honorable Haruna Drusu MP for Tamale East say Tamale West so sorry ono so ene ye minority leader ono na edi animu ema NDC for amanyo ekuo no na okoso echiamu se ono de opasumdwe onpe tiotio ode nokre ene ba be ye adwuma to okoso echiremu ema omosan so eti ase se ye kase kokoso a kokos eye se kase kokoso a caucus refers to an identified group of people. An identified group of people. It is an identified group of people. There you want. It be a gender caucus, Catholic caucus, and a regional caucus. It is a caucus. Musu ya wonipa wodi omonim se panyini. It was say ye kase be a majority leader. Most of times, adwuma na ekoso day by day administration of the parliament house no bebre na ejina no so eti efiri aba minority leader although speaker of parliament ni de ono na ye chiame hene edema speaker no say NDC for say or truly saying but we have parliamentary parties, and for us, the 8th parliament, we have 2 parties, NDC parliamentary party and the MPP parliamentary party, with the 1 independent, and they form the majority parliament group. I do not want any more confusion on this. And also, I was saying, yeah, they say, or pay confusion, bia. I was sad we not to as well can say Mr. Mensa Bonsu or no a majority group, but 1 year majority caucus. On your majority caucus. Subscribe it to your YouTube channel, no? Like, share, comment it to your YouTube post and send a be an update bia. Also, one sabe day. Ebe kamamina wase, my crowd. Bye bye.